Hello and welcome to Improve Your Voice. My name is Darren McStay and today I received a gift in the mail, which is great. A few weeks ago I did an articulation exercise video on a tool that you can use in order to help you better articulate, and it's called a bone prop. And it was created and designed by a woman called Annie Morrison. Now, I'd heard about Annie Morrison's bone prop through a voice coach from my drama training. And so I contacted Annie and said, look, I made a video and just talked about your bone prop in it. And as a thank you, she sent me a new one because she recognized that my old bone prop is a little bit broken. And so she's sent me a brand new one in exactly the same color that I asked for, bone and black, which is my favorite color of her selection. So if anyone was looking into getting one of these bone props, one of these ones, they're very reasonable. I've had this for 10 years and I could still keep using it. I will still keep using it. I'll keep this for probably another 5 years until it's completely gone, and then I'll open up the fresh one. I'll keep it on my shelf as a little souvenir until that time comes. But she also wrote me a little letter, a handwritten letter, something you don't get so often these days, and I was very happy about that. Dear Darren, here is your spanking new black bone prop. Bone and black bone prop. Wishing you many more years of clarity. Yours, Annie Morrison. Thank you, Annie. That is very kind of you, and I'm very happy to receive that. So, to those people who didn't watch that video, there it is. And for those of you that haven't watched it and can't be asked to go and watch that, that's fine, I'll explain to you now. This is basically a tool that is designed to keep in between your teeth, so the front of your mouth is open but not too far, not too wide and not too closed as to mumble. And when you practice speaking or practice articulating with this in, the muscles of your mouth on the inside of your mouth need to do more work. You need to open up the back of your mouth, as I've suggested in many of my videos, with yawning exercises, and trying to create a more flexible, soft palate, and getting all the muscles moving around on the inside that need to do the work to articulate. So this one's designed, rather than putting your finger in your mouth all the time, especially now with coronavirus, you don't want to be doing that. So this one can be washed, you can hold onto the string, you don't need to touch it yourself. It's easy to clean, and it saves you from putting your fingers in your mouth directly all the time. So you can have your hands free to hold paper or do whatever you do. So by using one of these and just practicing speaking, whatever it is, out of a book, if you're doing voiceover, or if you're someone who just needs to do a bit more work on clarity and articulation, this is going to help your muscles start working in a better way. And it's just a really useful tool, and I just wanted to say thank you to Annie Morrison for giving that to me. And guys, really check it out. So that's basically what I wanted to do today, is just to introduce you to Annie Morrison and the bone prop and the tools she has on her channel. So thank you for watching. I'm Darren McStay. This is Improve Your Voice, and until the next time, look after your voice.